Hello, my dear YouTube family. My name is Parth, and I welcome you to a channel Must Watch Tips. So, today I'm going to show how to make this beautiful video in the text. So, how to merge video and text, I'll be showing that in this video. So, this only takes few steps, and after doing the steps, you can make this beautiful presentation. So, I'll be showing you how to make this step by step. So, now without wasting time, let's get into the video and start making this presentation. So let me take a new blank presentation and I'll be deleting these two text boxes. Now, first of all, to begin with this presentation, we need a video, a good quality video. So I can insert that video from here by going to Insert tab, and you have an option over here of video in the media. So you can insert in three ways. You can insert this video from this device, the stock videos which are available, and the online videos. So I have that video downloaded it in my system. So I'll be clicking this. I wanted to give you a tip that if you want to download it from the internet, you just have to go to this website called pixels.com, where you can download photos and videos in very good quality. So here you have to type whatever the topic of your interest. And let us say you want to have videos of travel. And from here you can download this video for free. And these videos are in very good quality. So let us get back to our presentation and start making this. So I'll be inserting that video. So let us say I want to insert this video, and after that I'll just make it smaller like this. And now the next step is to add a text box. So I'll go to insert text box, and here I will type travel. So you can type whatever you want and according to your theme. And so make sure you choose a font which are thick, because your video will be more visible from that text box. So let us say I choose this font, and let me make it bigger. So now I have ready two objects. One is the video and other one is the text box. Now the main step is that you need to merge these two, and you have to take the intersection part of both of this. So for that we need a merge shape options enabled. So let me tell you one thing, that I'm using currently uh, Office Professional Plus 2021. And if you don't have this merge shape in your quick access toolbar, then you need to go to File, Options, and here you have an option of quick access toolbar, where you will go to all commands over here, all commands, and that will reflect all of the commands which are available. And you need to go to M, and in M you have option of merge shapes. So if you bring that over here to the right hand side, so I have already added it in the quick access toolbar. So it is giving me like this. So after bringing that to the right hand side, you just need to press OK. So that will be available over here. Now if you don't have available, then you have an in other versions of PowerPoint, you have one search option over here enabled. So you can search their merge shapes and you will find it over there as well. So now let us choose this video first. Make sure you do the same steps in your presentation as well. So first step is to select the video. Then the next step is, by holding shift button, you need to select the text box. So in this way, you can select both of this. You don't have to select uh, both of the objects at the same time. You have to select first the video, then by holding shift button, you have to select the text boxes, and there the merge shape option is now enabled. And when you expand that, you can find the intersection part over here. So you can select intersect. And now your video and the text boxes are now merged together. If you play this, it works like that. Now I will make it smaller. And next, let us add animation. You can add border to this video as well. So if you go to video format, Here you have an option of video border. So let me take a black border with more thickness, like 3 points or 2.25 points, like this. And now let us go to playback, and let us start this video automatically when we start the slideshow. And if the video is, let us say the video is of 30 seconds and I want to loop that video until I press the escape button, then I click on this button, loop until stop. Okay. Now the next step is, and the last step is to add animation, the zoom in animation. So I'll go to animation, and if I see that already one animation is added by default. So as this is the video format, so play and pause button is now automatically added. Now I wanted to add more animation, so I'll go to add animation, and here I will click on grow shrink, and this I wanted with previous. So if I click on preview, this is how it will look. So now as you have noted that the text box is zooming more and more than what we have expected, more than the slide area. So I will go to this animation part which we have zoom in animation. Then I will right click and go to effect options. There I will find that the size currently is 150% growth. So I will go to this and apply 130%. I'll hit enter and press OK. So now if you will see, it won't get uh, bigger than the slide area. So now if I click on slideshow, it will look like this. And here you go. We have completed making this awesome presentation. So I hope you like this video and do share it with your friends. You can visit our channel for more such amazing videos where we have created a PowerPoint presentation in a creative way. And if you have any doubts, please post that in the comment box. We will surely reach out to you and we'll find a solution of it. So now it's time to say you goodbye. Have a great day and see you in the next video.